Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today it's time to pick some hibiscus. So today we are going to pick the calyces of the hibiscus. I'm going to show you how. So in the beginning, before the flower blooms, the hibiscus flower is small like this. Then it will slowly get a little bit bigger and it will start to open up like this one, and you'll get your bloomed flower. Then the flower will wilt after a day or so. It will shrivel up, it will fall off, and then you'll end up with an empty calyx like so, an empty little flower bud like that, and like this one here. As they're empty, I notice that they start to grow a little bit and they tilt to the side, and those are the ones that we end up harvesting. So what we do to harvest them is just tip them over and snap them off. Very simple. Tip them over and snap them off. Then when we take them inside, we put on some gloves because these can stain your hand. We peel these off. We put on some gloves because this can stain your hand like a cranberry color. We peel the little petals, these little petals back, expose that little green part out, and we save all of the red portion here, let that dry, and that's the portion that we save for tea and jamaica and any of the other cranberry type substitute desserts and dishes that people in the South use when they can't grow cranberries. Oftentimes they use hibiscus as a cranberry substitute. So let's get harvesting. We'll have a few more as the season goes on, but it's gonna rain over the next few days, so I wanted to get out here and get the ones that are ready now, because I think I have a decent amount, so I can get a first batch harvested. And just in case you were wondering, yes, you can harvest and use the leaves of the hibiscus plant for tea, but they're not as powerful and as flavorful as the little calyces are. They don't have that strong cranberry flavor. Okay, let's go to the other plant. I think it may have a few more. Nice big juicy ones, like so. Here's the first small harvest for our hibiscus plants for the 2025 season. It is a modest harvest, but there'll be plenty more as the season progresses. So stay tuned, and we will look forward to many more where these came from. So have a beautiful day or night wherever you are. Bye bye, everybody.